Welcome back to our new video. Today, we're diving into the world of wellness drinks and bringing you a review of popular wellness drinks. Join us as we explore refreshing and nourishing options to quench your thirst and support your well-being. Let's get started. Drink 1. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea beverage known for its tangy flavor and probiotic benefits. This fizzy drink is rich in gut-friendly bacteria that can support digestion and boost your immune system. Drink 2. Green juice. Green juices are packed with nutrient-dense leafy greens like spinach, kale, and celery. They are a great way to increase your daily intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, helping to detoxify and energize your body. Drink 3. Herbal infusions. Herbal infusions, such as chamomile, peppermint, or ginger tea, offer a soothing and calming experience. These caffeine-free options can promote relaxation, aid digestion, and provide various health benefits depending on the herbs used. Drink 4. Matcha latte. Matcha is a vibrant green powdered tea packed with antioxidants and a gentle caffeine boost. Matcha lattes provide a calm and focused energy, thanks to the presence of L-theanine, an amino acid known for its relaxation properties. Drink 5. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte-rich beverage that helps replenish fluids and minerals lost during physical activity. It's a refreshing and hydrating option, perfect for staying energized and maintaining proper hydration levels. And there you have it, our review of popular wellness drinks. Each of these options offers unique benefits for your well-being. Give them a try and find the ones that best suit your taste and health goals. Remember to like this video if you found the review helpful and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on wellness and nutrition. Thanks for watching our review of popular wellness drinks video. We hope you enjoyed it and found some new additions to your beverage repertoire. See you in the next one.